Well, I am going to the question solve this criterion with real numbers and inequalities. Real numbers and inequalities is so much important chapter with HSC level, and I want to solve these questions are easy way, and more or less you have to benefit it. I think the question or explanation to this pattern. So AB is less than or equal AC. AB is less than or equal AC or less than or equal BC, and AB is less than or equal BC is less than or equal CA by AC is the same line. So firstly we have to solve these questions. Find the area of triangle when x equal to 2, and secondly AB minus 1 is modulus is less than 1 by 10, so that BC modulus is less than 21 by 100. And thirdly, question number, which is the conditions of possible triangle of ABC in X? অর্থাৎ x এর কোন শর্তের উপর ভিত্তি করে ABC একটি ত্রিভুজ অঙ্কন করা যায়, and so that the line gaps, এবং ওর সাহায্যে একটা রেখা অঙ্কন করো। So firstly we have to solve this. Find the area of triangle x equal to 2. Area of triangle, that means x equal to 2. So is solution in number 1. Since x equal to 2, then AB equal to AB, that means x equal to 2, and BC equal to x square minus 1, 2x square minus 1, that means 3, and AC equal to 2x minus 1 equal to 4 minus 1, that means 3. So we have to area of triangle. We know that area of triangle is equal S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C whole root is a formula, and S into S minus AB and S minus BC and S minus CA, S minus CA, these are the roots. So S and S equal to, that means 2S equal to AB plus BC plus CA equal to 2 plus 3 plus 3 equal 8. That's why S equal to 4 is the easiest things. That's why it is unit. So area equal to S 4 into 4 minus AB, that means 2, 4 minus BC, that means 3. 4 minus CA, that means 3 is the roots. So that's why 4 into 2 into 1 into 1. So that's why root 8 equal to 2 root 2. 2 root 2 square. Square in it is the easiest and easy system. You have to memorize this the just for formula. So, well, it's obviously clear, everybody and every learners and viewers. So you have to clear this the maths. I think that. So secondly, solve this question. Number 2. AB minus 1 is less than 1 divided by 10. So that's why 1 divided by 10. So that implies x minus 1 modulus is less than 1 divided by 10. And is the solution in many kinds of way is not a problem. You have to clear this your own way, or this is the process. You have to washing every rules and patterns and system. Then obviously gainers in all of maths. X minus 1 modulus plus 2 is less than 1 divided by 10 is plus 2 is a formula of inequalities. So that's why x minus 1 plus 2 is less than 2 into 1 divided by 10. So that implies x plus 1 modulus is less than 2 into 1 divided by 10 is the easiest things. So that's why is the number 1, is the number 2. Now this and that are multiplying of this maths. 1 and 2 are multiplying with both sides. So x minus 1 and x plus 1 is less than 1 divided by 10 into 20 divided by 10. That's why x square minus 1 modulus is less than 2 into 1 divided by 100. It's so easiest and easy process. It's the formula A modulus B modulus is less than AB modulus. So that's why it's so easy things, I think that. So you have to practice in deeply, then obviously these maths are easiest and easy way. So that's why it's so easily. And we have to solve this last math. With the conditions of possible triangle of ABC. কোন শর্তের উপর x এর কোন মানের উপরে বা শর্তের উপরে নির্ভর করে আমার ABC ট্রায়াঙ্গেল তৈরি করা সম্ভব। আচ্ছা, with the condition of possible triangle of ABC in X. So formula of ABC triangle. So that's why AB plus AC is greater than BC. It's totally clear, or everybody is deeply thinking this is the system. So that's why x is value x and AC is 2x minus 1 is greater than BC, that means x squared minus 1. So that's why 3x minus 1 is greater than x squared minus 1, and all are one side, that's why is 3x minus 1 is greater than x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 minus 3x plus 1 is less than 0, is less than 0. So that implies plus 1 minus 1 is omitted, x square minus 3x is less than 0. So that's why x into x minus 3 is less than 0. So this is the formation. You have to build up in your formation. Formation, that means x is the value of 0, that means plus. X is the value of minus 3, that means plus. So conditions and x is sign and x minus 3 is sign. So firstly x is less than 0. X is less than 0. So x is less than 0, that means minus, and x is less than 0, that means minus. 0, x is less than 0, তার মানে 0 থেকে x ছোট, তাহলে x is negative. 0 থেকে যদি x ছোট হয়, that means এটাও x এর থেকে ছোট, তার মানে that means এটাও minus. So 0 is greater than x is greater than 3, that means 0 থেকে x is plus, that means plus, and 3 থেকে is x is less than, that means minus. So we have to that the rules, x is greater than 3, that means plus, and x minus 3 থেকে x is বড়, that means x minus 3 থেকে বড়, that means minus. Well, minus plus. So if 1 is true, 1 is true when 0 is less than x is less than 3. So the required values of x is less than 3 is less than 0. Well, and we have to show that the lines. We have to show that the lines. Lines means this is the lines 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 and minus 5. So you have to clear this the process. x is less than 0 তে নেগেটিভ, তার মানে এই দিকে, and x minus 3 থেকেও নেগেটিভ, তার মানে 0 থেকে 3 is the countable values, so that's why this is the 0 and this is the 3. So you have to clear this the system, you have to clear this the system of process, and it is the line graph, it is the line graph of the it's also the line graph, it is also the line graph of above conditions. Well, thanks you everybody, and thanks learners and viewers, and most of the students are clear this the process obviously. So you have to automatically lot of share and subscribe to my channel if you are mostly benefited, I think that. Well, thank you.